Hi guys, this is Warthog Defense. I'm Seth. Welcome back to the channel. Russians are still trying to advance in ROBOTYNE in Zaporozhye, but unlike in the east, here Russian forces are massacred again and again without any advancement made. So we have another burned Russian column and dozens of desperate victims who were forced into another mid assault.
Avdiivka. A Ukrainian FPV munition flies into the rear of a Russian BMP, causing a catastrophic detonation. Fighters of the 3rd Assault Detachment of the Omega Special Purpose Center repel the enemy tank and infantry attack in ROBOTYNE using AT-4 and Mk-19 grenade launcher. Fierce battles are taking place in the ROBOTYNE area. The defense forces of Ukraine are inflicting huge losses on the enemy. Part of the enemy's equipment was blown up by mines. The other part was destroyed by FPV drones of the special forces. And Russian drones are working too. Another Swedish-supplied FH-77 BWL-52 Archer self-propelled howitzer was damaged by a Russian Zala Lancet loitering munition while changing positions. The enemy publishes footage of an attack by 4 RBK-500 cluster bombs UMPK on Ukrainian positions in the Bakhmut direction. joint work of the 21st Separate Mechanized Brigade and the 56th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade, destroying a TOS-1A tank and a BMP in Bakhmut area. Don't roam where our missiles fly. If we wanted to kill, we would have killed. Russian propagandists commented on the ballistic missile strike on Odessa during the visit of President Zelensky and Prime Minister of Greece Kyriakos Mitsotakis. Is this an apology in Russian or a threat? I'm confused.
Зеленский истерит в Авдеевке, да, что там русские вы хотели убить, я смотрю, там греки, вся пресса, что хотели убить, что это там Зеленский, там чуть ли не уважение, ну послушайте. Но не надо шастать там, где летают наши ракеты. То есть, ну кто, да, если бы хотели убить, то убили бы. А во-вторых, ну это, насколько я понимаю, был Искандер, да? Дорогая...
Да нет, дрон, вон видно, которые сняли греческие делегаты.
Но если ракета, как он говорит, ракета, да, но зачем? То есть такую ракету использовать, ну это примерно как яйцом в ФБРЖ давить таракана вместо тапка.
We see a Russia that is now weaker militarily, economically, diplomatically. Antony Blinken, U.S. Secretary of State. With enough weapons, Ukraine could show the world the true Russia, a weak empire in its last days.
Ukraine has become for Russia. We see a Russia that is now weaker militarily, economically, diplomatically. Its standing in Ukraine has changed dramatically, whereas before 2014, the first invasion,
Erdogan wants to hold a peace summit with Russia's participation. The Turkish president announced this at a press conference with Zelensky in Istanbul. Visit to Turkey, Istanbul, shipyards where corvettes are built for our navy. I inspected the readiness and equipment of the Ivan Mazepa corvette and spoke with Ukrainian Navy personnel. I thanked them for their service. We are strengthening our country. I also inspected the construction of our second corvette of the Ada class and named it after Hetman Ivan Vyhovsky. I thank Turkey's president and all Turkish and Ukrainian defense companies for their partnership and for working together to bring peace closer and make it a lasting one.
I hope you like this video, guys. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.